Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop speech services by Google downloading English update waiting for network connection. So there are some solutions here. So the first solution is just go to your phone settings. Now here in the settings, you need to just go to your apps. Now click on manage apps, the second option. Now you can just search for speech. This option is speech recognition and synthesis. Now in the bottom left here you can see force stop. Click on it. Now click on OK. Now just go back. Now here in the top search bar, search for language and input. Now in these options here you can see the second last option, text to speech output. Click on it. Now click on the first option here, preferred engine. As I'm a Xiaomi user, there is only one option here, but there are some phones where you will find more than one option. You need to select the speech recognition by your phone, and after that just go back and go to Google. Scroll here and click the bottom last option, settings for Google Apps. Now select the last option, search assistant and voice. Now click on voice. Now click the last option, offline speech recognition. Now click the top right, auto update. Now you need to just select the middle option here, update at any time. And now just select the first option, do not auto update language, and go to installed. Now just install this English update available. Download it. Now the second solution is you need to just go to your Play Store, and in the top search bar search for speech recognition and synthesis, this app here. Now you need to just uninstall it and click on update. So guys, that's how you can solve the problem. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.